Namaskar and welcome to Hindustani Raga. Today I will teach you Dugun of Teentaal. So when we talk about Dugun of any taal, it means that we need to complete that taal in half time. So if we talk about Teentaal, it is a 16 matra taal and it has 4 vibhagas of 4 matras each. And when we need to complete that particular taal in half time, which means if it is a 16 matra taal, we need to complete it in half time, which means 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So after 8th matra, its dugun will start. So if we talk about showing teen taal on hands, the dugun of teen taal on hands, it will work like this. So let's get started and delve into Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, tin, tin, ta, dhin, dha, dha. So you must have checked that after 8th matra or from 9th matra onwards, I started showing this taal in Dugun lay. Sometimes it becomes a little difficult to switch over from tha lay to Dugun lay. So there is a very simple technique of switching over from tha lay to Dugun lay. So now I will tell you what is that technique which will make this dugun very easy. So this technique is like from 1st to 6th matra, we will present teen taal in thale, and on 7th and 8th matra, we will start the counting in dugun lay, yani 1, 2, 1, 2. And then from 9th matra onwards, we will start its dugun. So it is a very simple technique and this will make your presentation very good and it will be easier for you to present the taal this way. So let's get started. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, ek, do, dha, dhin, dha, dhin, dha, tin, ta, dhin, dha, dha. Okay, so I hope this is a nice technique to present teen taal's dugun on hand, and it is a very easy technique to learn dugun of any taal. I hope you will find this video knowledgeful, and if you really feel that your friends should also know this very easy technique of showing dugun on hands of teen taal, please share this video as much as possible. And if you want similar videos from us, do subscribe to our channel. For thaal of any taal of Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet, if you want to learn, we have made short videos on that also. So do look out for such videos and try to learn it as quickly as possible, because this is a very useful part of your syllabus. It is a very useful topic which you should know. So that's it for today. We will come up with another video very soon. Namaskar.